I have sold my material to the customer. Delivery transaction has been done and he was not satisfied and he gave you back the same material. When the customer is giving you back the material and he is saying that he is not satisfied, at that time, return delivery transaction will be done. And at that time also we are doing the inspection. Okay, so there are two inspection types. One is before I give it to my customer, I am doing the inspection. This lot get triggers. And second is when the customer is returning back my material, saying that he is not satisfied, at that time I want to check what was the problem in the material. Normal case also, like when we buy it from the Flipkart or Amazon, any material, we receive it. And then if I find any defect in that particular material, then I raise a complaint and return it back to the supplier, right? So similarly, he's customer is returning that same material, at that time the lot is should get triggered. So in the case of return, again the transaction which will be used is VA01 only. Okay, but in this case it will be RE. Okay, RE means return. Material MM02, enter. Another inspection type is possible, which is 06. For the same material which I am giving it to the customer, I can activate inspection type 06 also, which means inspection for return from the customer. Means once I have sold it, if the customer is returning back, I want to test it, same material. So I will select again 06, activate it, check the details. Okay. So it is asking me for to maintain the quality score procedure. Continue it. So here you can see this is quality score procedure. Okay. So select this, and normally the quality score gets updated with the UD code, usage decision, what we enter, whether it is accepted or rejected. Based on that, my UD code score is getting updated. So my quality score. What should be the procedure to be as a UD code? At present, I am keeping it from the usage decision code. So save it. Okay. /n VA01. Okay. Enter. It is a create sales order transaction only. For the return transaction, we use the TCODE VA01. Okay. Instead of OR, we will be selecting this time RE. RE means the return transaction is there. And let's take return transaction. Again, you need to click on create with reference. Okay. And in the order, you can enter the order number for the reference. Okay. If you want to search, you can search it. Or suppose I enter my material number or the sales order number based on which we can search it. Back, select all, click on execute, and just now we have created the lot for 10 and the quantity was 1. So if I go to the display mode of it and click on inspection lot detail, inspection specification, so this is the material. The sales order number, we can copy that sales order number here. In this create sales order, you can enter the sales order number directly if you want. Enter the sales order number is this. Click on copy. This is the material. Quantity is 1 and press enter key. So it will ask you for the reason to return. Suppose if I enter any one out of it and then click on save. Okay, so return transaction has been done. Again, you will go to the change mode of it. So this is the one, press enter key. And again, from the menu, you can select deliver. And again, you will, this time, instead of post goods issue. At this time, it will be post code receipt. We are receiving it from the customer. Okay, so click on post code receipt, and this time again you are getting the status that lot has been triggered with the prefix 06. Once the quality department clear it, then only they will be able to complete the transaction. If I double click on this material here, you can see the inspection lot detail also. It's prefixed with 6. Save it. Now, if I go for the QA32 report, we remove the date filters and I'm entering the origin as 6 and click on execute. So this is the lot which is triggered and it is in created state. So I can change my usage as 6 because I have created an inspection plan with the usage 6. And in the sample, I will click on sample, save it. And now if I refresh it, so it is in the release states, go for the result recording, enter the results, say 11, enter, reject it, and then click on save. And in the usage decision, again, I am entering my value as rejected and then click on save. So now refresh it.